Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making a simple sauce for our old fish, and don't forget to share, like, subscribe and give the video a thumbs up. So let's get cooking. I'm starting with the oil and let it heat up for a few minutes. Add the chopped onion and wait for it to turn translucent. I will add the tomato, the chopped yellow and orange bell pepper, jalapeno, bouillon cube, which is also known as Maggi, curry and thyme. Stir everything together, cover and let it cook. I will add half teaspoon of onion powder and half teaspoon of garlic powder, and if you have any other seasoning you want to add, you can go ahead and do so. Add small amount of water to the sauce. I have tilapia and red snapper which I've cleaned and soaked in salty water for probably 10 minutes, so I'll go ahead and add it to the sauce. It's 5 minutes into the cooking. I'll gently flip the fish and put some sauce inside it. Add some quantity of water and shake. The fish is now ready, and I will garnish with some chopped spring onion just to make it colorful. This is the outcome, and you can serve with rice or eat it alone or any food that comes to mind, but I'm serving mine with a boiled plantain. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe and give the video a thumbs up. I wish you happy cooking.